On this episode of Midway Mass and Motors, I win a race. I took second in the second race and second in the third, but I could have had a better finish in the third race, and I just made a poor tactical decision. We'll see all that coming up. Alright, it's Monday night again, and I'm back on a laser. Tonight, we've actually got the sun shining, no threat of storms, but with that means we've got light air. I mean, we're talking 5 knots, pretty flat. We've got 3 boats out right now. Race committee is coming out behind me, so they're going to set up the race course, and we'll probably be doing some racing shortly here. Hopefully it's going to be a good night. The first race is going to be 2 laps triangle, and I'm getting some jibe practice in, so I don't look like an idiot like last time. I'm sure I'll find a new, unique, creative way to look like an idiot. Alright, 5 minutes to go. 2 laps, triangle, 3 boats. First race of the night. Let's see what we do. Got it. Where'd that wind go? That was fun for a second there.
And unfortunately, this is where my GoPro froze. Partway through the starting sequence before the race even started, so I lost the entire recording of this race. Of course, this just happened to be the one race that I actually won that night.
Alright, so for this second race, we're going to do 2 laps again, but we're going to do what's called thread the needle. So this time when we go to complete a lap, we have to go through the start-finish line. This way, if the wind dies, the race committee can record a time and we can shorten it to 1 lap. So it's about 30 seconds before the attention signal. So I'm going to go back and get my watch set.
As you can see, Adam and I were neck and neck on this first tack of the windward leg. Neither one of us had a clear advantage, so it turned into a tight battle right up until our first tack.
we're still right behind Adam. He's watching me. I forgot to thread the needle. And great combination. Decent upwind leg, and then on this leg, they put a little distance between us, and I just couldn't make it up. Also, it helped that I forgot we were throwing the needle, even though I mentioned it. Made up a little ground, but not enough to make a difference. Alright, well, we're just going to have a good upwind leg back to the finish line to minimize the damage. Hopefully. There's second race. Second this time. It is what it is. Well, if you like what you're watching, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the above. I'm going to be racing all summer long on both the lasers and the keelboat Gemini. So yeah, hope you're enjoying it. Alright, race number 3. Just under a minute until attention. 2 laps. Alright. Thread, oh, we threaded the needle again?
It's that same thing.
Alright, thread the needle, but this time I'm going to remember it.
I was ready to squeeze you out if you didn't remember it.
I saw it too. I'm like, I was getting all excited out where I was. I'm like, oh shit. Then that boat wake came, just everything went against me. All right, 5 minutes. Let's do this. One more jog for camera. Because I had the camera on that time.
Action for your fans.
Exactly. All 100 of them. Alright, had a good start. It's not screwed up. Attack, he's going to be ahead of me. I'm going to attack right behind him. So I stay on top of him and that's it. Shadow as best as possible. And that's what he's going to do. Hey, you think that kid caught a fish? They haven't said anything.
What?
You think that kid caught a fish?
What?
Did you hear the kid? I caught a fish! I caught a fish! Alright, this breeze is pretty light. And I think it's a combination between him having a brand new sail and me being fat. Because right now, he's just walking away. There's not much I can do, it seems. Their sailing is tough, doesn't matter what boat it is. Gemini or this one.
Now I was overthinking.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you get so focused on what you're trying to do.
Right. It's like when you do a triangle windward lure.
Right.
You forget the second left isn't a triangle.
Yep. Damn it. Well, that was fucking dumb. I should have dove inside. Yeah, I should have dove inside on that one. I was also hoping to tack inside you and I just couldn't do it.
You mean when you guys came back across the line?
No, when we came back through there, I was kind of hoping to time it better. Oh well, you win some, you lose some.
Well, that wraps up a tricky night of laser racing. The wind kept fading as the evening went on. I won the first race, of course, that's the one the GoPro didn't record. In the second race, I totally spaced on the race course and forgot that we had to thread the needle between laps, and that definitely cost me. Then on the final lap of the last race, I botched the tactics bad around that last downwind mark. Still, fun night on the water, and always something to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Midway Mass and Motors.